Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the Micron 5400 Pro 240GB SSD. This little drive is a 2.5-inch SATA solid-state drive designed for internal installation. It uses the SATA 600 interface, and it's geared towards read-intensive applications. Now, 240 gigabytes might not sound like a lot in today's world of terabyte drives, but let's consider its purpose. The Micron 5400 Pro isn't trying to be your primary storage for massive game libraries or huge video editing projects. Instead, it's designed as a cost-effective solution to breathe new life into older laptops or systems that are still running on traditional mechanical hard drives. The key benefit here is speed. Swapping out a spinning hard drive for this SSD will result in a dramatic improvement in boot times, application loading speeds, and overall system responsiveness. It's like giving your computer a shot of adrenaline. Being a solid-state drive, it has no moving parts, which translates to better durability and resistance to physical shock compared to traditional hard drives. This makes it a great option for laptops that are frequently on the move. The portable special feature listed is a bit of a misnomer. It's not portable in the sense that you'd carry it around externally like a USB drive. Rather, it refers to the drive's suitability for use in laptops, which are, of course, portable devices. While the 240 gigabytes capacity might be limiting for some, it's perfectly adequate for a boot drive with your operating system and essential applications. If you primarily use your computer for web browsing, email, and light productivity tasks, this drive could be a perfect fit. The Micron 5400 Pro is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade an older system without breaking the bank. It offers a significant performance boost over traditional hard drives, making it a worthwhile investment for extending the life of your existing hardware.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.